Okay, we are back at the tomatoes on September 16th, and the harvest is getting a bit long in the tooth. I haven't had a big harvest in about a month, but I am seeing a lot of red tomatoes now. So, see in here, I haven't seen this in a few weeks. And as you can see, the plants are getting dried out. They're getting tired. See, these guys look good. These guys look good. Yeah? Let's see if I could find 10 pounds. Pretty good. They're adding up. So far this year, I got 320 pounds of tomatoes. And I have 27 plants. And I don't know, my goal is 10 pounds today off of this harvest. So far, adding up. Cool looking spider. Hello, sir. Cool looking spider. I think that's a type of jumping spider. They don't hurt you though. Lots of tomatoes over here. Here's what I got so far. Probably already at 10 pounds. And these homemade cages worked out really well. I just tied some poles together and that was it. And this area doesn't even get that much sun. All right, I filled up my bucket. Nice late season harvest. I didn't weigh it yet, but it feels like at least 10 pounds. So let me weigh it. All right, here we go. Last batch of tomatoes of the year. They're still 11 3/4 pounds. So I got my 10 pound goal. And that should be it. There might be sporadic harvests here and there, but that's about it. So for the year, about 330 pounds of tomatoes with 27 plants. All right, I think that's it. Thanks for watching.